What's going on, everybody? My name is Prism and I am back with another box. That is right, I'm back with another unboxing video. I got a Simplex 1403-90-105 strobe plate that is practically new in box, and I say that because the base itself is new in box, but the strobe was labeled as new. So I just bought the two so I can combine my own and make my own strobe plate. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. For some reason I decided not to use the tripod, but oh well. There we go. Just set that there. Just gonna zoom out a little bit. There we go. This here is a Simplex 4903-9501 strobe plate base. Alrighty, so here is our base here. As you can see here, there are versions like the 4904-9501, which is just this part. And I also got the manual to it, and this will be interesting. I apologize if it seems like I'm in a rush, and that's because I have quite a bit of work to catch up on tonight, but I figured I could squeeze this in tonight. And right here is, I actually forgot this is the 4904-9101, excuse me, 9105 strobe only as a unit. But with the 4903 base, this will be a 4903-9501, 9105. Just gonna come on. There we go. Here it is. This is a Simplex 4904-9105 remote strobe, but with a 4903 base, this will be a 4903-9105. So I'll go ahead and put this together. Alright, so here is the alarm fully assembled. This looks really cool in my opinion, and in case if you didn't know, these strobes are 100 candela, and this is a strobe plate I've been wanting for a very long time, and now I do, and I can't wait to add to this to my collection. But there's one thing I want to do before I sign off, and that is doing a little test. Alright, I got some batteries here, and whoops. There we go. This is pretty cool. It's kind of bright. Well, it's 100 candela. I hear the capacitor. I don't know if you can hear that. It's flashing like a tiny bit faster, but I think it'll just have to charge up. But other than that, I really like the strobe plate a lot. And yeah, see you later.